Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Adora, and this is my first YouTube video. So I'm going to be sharing with you my take on a minimalist living room. Now I know we all define minimalism differently, but for me it simply means having only what I need and what brings me joy, and not filling a space just for the sake of filling a space. Okay, so this channel will be all about decorating my new home and giving you tips on decorating a new home, a beautiful home at a beautiful price. So come along with me as I go over where I purchased all of the pieces featured in this video. So stay tuned. So I want to start by sharing a story about this beautiful area rug that I purchased from Overstock. Now this is actually a replacement rug. So when I purchased the initial rug, I noticed a smell, but I brushed it off thinking, it's going to go away on its own after a few days. Well, that didn't happen. So I came downstairs the next day, and it smelled like a barn in here. Like I purchased the rug and the sheet it came from. It was terrible. And so it's like, what's going on? So I go online, I type in wool rug smell, and I'm reading all these comments from people claiming that it's normal and it just needs to be aired out for a few days and everything will be fine. So I'm like, okay. So I open all the windows and try to air it out, but the smell just got stronger and stronger. So I finally just couldn't take it anymore and decided to go through the trouble of packing up this heavy rug and shipping it back to Overstock. Now I hesitated on getting a replacement piece because, again, I read that this was common with wool rugs and that it was just something to get used to, and I could not get used to that smell. But I loved it so much, so I took a chance and decided to get a replacement piece. And boy, am I glad I did, because this piece that I got to replace it had no smell, and I absolutely love it. So if you do purchase an area rug and it comes with a smell, make sure to take it back and get a replacement, because they are available with no smell, so it's no need to put up with that. So just a cautionary tale. So this tea light trio was purchased from Gallerie. I got it on sale. It was under $30, and when I tell you that this video doesn't know justice, I mean it doesn't know justice. This is so beautiful on a sunny day with the windows open, and when the sunlight hits it, oh my god, it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and so we have the pillows, which I got all of them from Home Goods. And what I like about incorporating color in the pillows is and keeping the major pieces neutral is when I get tired of the blue, I can easily switch it out and change it to a different color and change the whole look of the space. So now all the accessories on this table, the blue accessories are from Home Goods as well. The lamp I got from a builder's home auction, and that is a great way to get home decor pieces at a greatly discounted rate. Those pieces of art were from Home Goods as well. Now this blank space up here above the sofa, that is one area where I do want to purchase something else and add some more pieces. These side tables, again, I got online from Overstock, either Overstock or Wayfair. I can't quite remember, but I did get those online. These two lanterns are also from Home Goods, and also way more beautiful in person than it shows in the video. I got the mirror from Home Goods, and the curtains, half price, from Amazon.com. That's where I got those curtains. pillows on the side, chairs are also from Home Goods. Okay, so here is just an overview of the living room. So this is a close-up of the accessories, and this porcelain Buddha I got from either Ross or Marshall's, and it's actually scented and smells great. And the side table was actually from Walmart. So thank you for watching, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the items featured in this video. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I will be uploading new videos weekly. And I would love for you to come along with me as I decorate every room in this new home. So thanks again, and see you soon.